Hi everybody, welcome to our Teaching Tidbit. I am Dr. Kristen Winnett. I'm the Program Administrator for CIRTL here at University of Arizona. And today we're going to present to you an idea for using Padlet, which is a free online program that you can use to generate discussion or break the ice with a new group of people. So I hope you enjoy our mini presentation. I'm going to start by talking a little bit about the context in which we did this activity. We are hosting a faculty learning community, also called an FLC, this semester with graduate students, postdocs, and faculty from across the STEM disciplines. And for our initial session, this is a theme basically on writing and writing in the disciplines. And what we wanted to do was get to know each other and also introduce our participants to some ways that they could use writing in their own classrooms as well. So this is from our meeting slide presentation. And if we go to the third slide here, what we did was we asked our participants to think about for a few minutes what they believe about good writing. So you can pose any kind of question, what do you believe about X? We took this from NPR's I Believe series. It's a good prompt for students and faculty and future faculty to think about their beliefs and assumptions about a topic. So what we had them do was click the link in the chat in our Zoom to go to our collaborative Padlet, which I'll show you in a second. And then we asked them to click the pink sign in the bottom right to start a new comment box, add their thoughts and ideas, and include their name and department. So when we did this, this is what started happening. So when you have Padlet, you can put a title here and a question here or something like that. And then what people can do is if they click this box in the bottom right-hand corner, this pink plus sign, they can basically add a box and change the color and, basically write whatever they want. And then they can comment back on other people's things with their own comments. So as you can see, everybody in our community, in our learning community, started by, here's mine here, by writing some thoughts about their ideas regarding writing. And then what ended up being very interesting is that people started commenting back on other people's, as you could see here, and we started to see these conversations emerging during the free writing session, which was only about 5 to 6 minutes. And so people really started kind of getting into the idea of using this as a way to generate discussion. And then what we had each person do was introduce themselves and talk about what they wrote, mention what other people wrote, and kind of think about what does good writing look like. So it was a really good way for us to generate discussion, get some new ideas going, and then also have an artifact that we could then email the group after the session and say, here's our Padlet. We'll come back to this as we go, but here are everybody's initial ideas. And so it's a great way to archive thoughts and discussions as well. And this could be used in really any professional development scenario, or it could be used in the classroom. So that's what we wanted to share with you all today. Hope you enjoyed. Feel free to email me if you have any questions at kwinnett@arizona.edu.